Even though it's skincare's most powerful topical, retinol is still a huge conundrum for a lot of folks. But today I'm going to give you 5 ways to help retinol work better, faster, and friendlier for your skin. Well, welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to talk about retinol and making it work better for you. Now, if you're new to the channel and not familiar with who I am, I'm Chris. I'm a skincare expert, 34 years. And my job is to help you find skincare that will work for you, not empty your wallet, and not do you more harm than good. So if that's the kind of content you've been looking for here on YouTube, please subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my videos when they come out every week. Also, be sure and check me out on social media and my very popular Skin So Fabulous blog. All those links are down below in the video description box for you. Okay, so let's talk about how to use retinol so that it gives you the very best results. And believe me, as a skincare topical, it can deliver results. Firstly, is that a word? First is to put it on first. And what I mean by that is it should always go on first onto dry skin, especially after you've done a skin cleansing. You want to give your skin 5 to 10 minutes to kind of calm down. That's an old dermatological trick I was taught by my dermatologist long ago, that anytime you're applying an active ingredient to your skin, whatever that may be, you want to give it a few minutes after cleansing so that everything kind of calms down. That way we're able to avoid any undue irritation. Now, you can use certain skincare ingredients before you apply retinol as long as they're water-based. Something like a collagen booster, like the Inky List collagen booster that I talk about all the time on the channel, or something like a hyaluronic acid serum. Those are perfectly fine. You can even layer those types of ingredients to help retinol work better with less irritation. And speaking of irritation and sensitivity, we want to start slow. Now, you may think that going out and getting the strongest version of retinol possible and applying it every day is going to get you there with your results much faster. But by applying the highest strength retinol serums every single day, you really have the risk of excess dryness, redness, and irritation, something we don't want to do to our skin. Now, it is best to go out and get products that are milder. Things like over-the-counter drugstore brands, CeraVe, encapsulated retinol, Olay brand retinol, L'Oreal. Most major skincare brands carry a milder form of retinol in a formulation that you can use, especially if you have sensitive skin. Now, I will put some links down below in the video description box for some of my recommendations for these types of products. And third, we want to pair retinol with the appropriate products in our skincare routine. Now, retinol is a very powerful active ingredient, one of the most powerful that you can use on your skin. Things like AHAs and BHAs, or glycolic acid and salicylic acid, can really cause a lot of irritation when they're used in combination with retinol. Not to mention the fact that retinol is fat soluble, AHAs and BHAs are water soluble. So they actually end up canceling out each other's benefits. So you don't want to use them together for those reasons right there. However, it's completely appropriate to use moisturizing products after your retinol, things that contain hyaluronic acid or lipid protecting and lipid barrier building ceramides. Those are perfectly fine and actually can help your retinol work better and help your skin adjust to the effects of the retinol much faster. Next, it is super important to apply your retinol products at night, because that way they can take benefit from the skin's natural overnight repair cycle, which does most of its work. Now, one of the best ways you can boost the great benefits of retinol is to apply a vitamin C serum in the morning as part of your morning routine. You don't want to use it at night while you're using retinol together. Again, we don't want two actives on the skin at the same time. Redness, irritation, and dryness. But by having vitamin C in your routine in the morning, you're giving your skin the antioxidants it needs to protect itself from UVA, UVB light, and preparing your skin for retinol's ability to speed up that cellular turnover and do that collagen building. And of course, when it comes to using any of these type of actives in your skincare routine, you need to apply sunscreen to make sure you're protecting your skin, not just from the negative effects of the sun, but to help your products do their job better and giving you that beautiful looking skin that you're looking for. Also, be sure and check out this video that's coming up next, because it can help you figure out which retinol product and strength is right for your skin. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting the channel. Stay beautiful, and I will see you over on that next video.
Got a skincare question you want answered? Just type Chris Gibson and the topic in the YouTube search bar and the video will come up.